Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says let alpha is equals to I cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, beta is equals to bi cap plus cj cap plus ak cap, and gamma vector is equals to ci cap plus aj cap plus bk cap be the three coplanar vector with alpha a not equals to b, and v vector is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Then v vector is perpendicular to. Okay, so alpha vector is given as ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Beta vector is given as bi cap plus cj cap plus ak cap, and gamma vector is given as ci cap plus aj cap plus bk cap. So now alpha vector, beta vector and gamma vector are coplanar. That means a scalar triple product of alpha vector, beta vector and gamma vector is equals to 0. So how we write this? So coefficient of determinant of coefficient of all this. So a b c, this is b c a, this is c a b is equals to 0. Now expanding this determinant, so we have a bc minus a square minus b, here we have b square minus ca plus c, we have ab minus c square is equals to 0. Okay, so now if we write all this after combining, we have abc is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is using the algebra identity that if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3ab. That means implies a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Now if v vector is perpendicular to alpha, then v dot alpha, v vector dot alpha vector is equals to must be 0. So let's check. So that is I cap, so a j cap into b cap, that is b, and k cap into c cap, that is c. So here v a plus b plus c, that is equals to 0, we have already concluded. So that means v vector perpendicular to alpha vector. Now cross checking v vector dot beta vector, so that is I cap plus b cap, that is b, j cap plus cj cap, that is c, and k cap plus a cap, that is a. So again a plus b plus c, that is equals to 0, implies v vector perpendicular to beta vector. Now third, v vector dot gamma vector, so I cap plus c cap, ci cap, that is c, j cap plus a cap, that is a, and k cap plus b cap, that is b. Again a plus b plus c, that is equals to 0, implies v vector perpendicular to gamma vector. That means all three alpha, beta and gamma are perpendicular to v vector. So your option 1 is correct, option 2 is correct, and option 3 is also correct. I hope you got this concept. All the best.